Hello students, this is Shachi. Welcome to my channel Crack Chemistry. In today's session, I'm going to discuss a class 10 topic. Topic's name is baking soda and chapter's name is acids, bases and salts. Students, in our previous video, we have learned about the chemicals which can be obtained from common salt. In the same series, we are going to discuss another very important chemical which can be obtained from common salt. The name of the chemical is baking soda. Students, in today's session, I'm going to tell you a trick with the help of which you can very easily learn the chemical equation for the preparation of baking soda without committing any mistake. Before starting, I want to remind you to subscribe my channel for getting information about further important uploads and press the like button if you like this video and share this video with your friends also. So now come with me and let's crack chemistry. Our today's topic is baking soda. Students, as I told you in the beginning that in today's session, I'm going to tell you a very interesting trick with the help of which you can easily learn the chemical equation for the preparation of baking soda without committing any mistake. One more point I would like to mention here that baking soda is a common name and the chemical name of baking soda are sodium hydrogen carbonate or it is also called as sodium bicarbonate. Now let's see the trick to learn the chemical equation for the preparation of baking soda. Students, you can learn the chemical equation for the preparation of baking soda by learning only one line. Now what's that line? That line is baking soda can be prepared by passing CO2 in ammonical brine solution. Now I'm going to decode the line. What's the line? Line is that baking soda can be prepared by passing CO2 in ammonical brine solution. So what is brine solution? Students, all of you know that brine solution is NaCl plus water. So first of all, I'll write brine solution means NaCl plus water. Then another word is that you are passing CO2 in ammonical brine solution. So what is ammonical brine solution? Ammonical brine solution is that brine solution which has ammonia. So ammonia is NH3. So I am going to add NH3 also here. So now this is ammonical brine solution means NaCl plus H2O plus NH3. Now what you have to do? You have to pass CO2 in ammonical brine solution. So I am adding CO2 also here. Now let's see how can you form the products very easily. Students, what you will do, just see ammonia first. Ammonia is NH3. What will happen? One hydrogen from water will combine with ammonia. So it will convert into NH4 and one Cl also will go along with NH4. So one of the product will be NH4Cl. I have written here. Now I am talking about the main product. What's the main product? You can see here we have Na. One H will come from water and CO3. You know that one oxygen will go from water molecule. So these are the products which are formed here. Now what's the final reaction? Final equation is NaCl plus H2O plus NH3 plus CO2. They will combine together and will form NaSCO3 plus NH4Cl. Students, this is your final equation. NaCl plus water means sodium chloride plus water. They form the brine solution. And ammonical brine solution means it has ammonia also. You are passing CO2 in it. So this is the chemical equation where what you have done, you have passed CO2 in ammonical brine solution and the products formed are NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. Students, I hope you will be able to learn this equation within seconds if you are able to learn this only one line. Now we will learn about the properties of baking soda. Students, as I told you in my previous video that hardly they ask questions directly by taking the name of the compound. Rather, they will give you some properties like a white colored compound X decomposes on heating and releases CO2 gas. And this compound is used in bakery. Like that, they will give you different properties and uses of that white colored compound X. In the end, they will ask you, what is the name of the compound X? Identify the compound, write its chemical name, write its common name, and write all the chemical equations involved. So for solving such questions, you have to write answers and chemical equation of each and every step, because generally in one question there are 3 or 4 steps. So you have to be very careful that you are not going to miss even a single step. Otherwise you will lose your marks. So now we will see the properties of baking soda. First property is that it's a mild, non-corrosive basic salt. The pH of such type of salts is more than 7. Now we will see the second property. Second very important property is that baking soda on heating decomposes and sodium carbonate, water and CO2 are formed. So you can see the reaction. From this reaction you can see that 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate on heating gives sodium carbonate, which is Na2CO3, plus water, which is H2O, and CO2 gas is also released. CO2 is carbon dioxide. Students, I hope it is clear to you. Now we are going to discuss about the uses of baking soda. Students, one of the very important use of baking soda is that it is used for making baking powder. So what's baking powder? Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda with a mild edible acid like tartaric acid. So following chemical reaction takes place when baking powder is either heated or mixed with water, NaSCO3 plus H plus. So from where H plus will come? H plus will come from edible acid like tartaric acid. So products form are CO2 plus water plus sodium salt of acid. One more important use is that sometimes baking powder is used for faster cooking also. These are the points which we have discussed just now. It is used for making baking powder. We discussed the composition of baking powder. Then this is the chemical equation which takes place when baking powder is either heated or mixed with water. And the another use of baking powder is that it is used for faster cooking. Another very important use is that being mild basic in nature, it is used as an antacid also. Antacid means it is used to remove acidity. Being alkaline, it will neutralize excess acid in the stomach and will provide relief. Another very important use is that it is used in soda acid fire extinguishers. So children, what will happen in soda acid fire extinguishers? All of you have seen that baking soda on reaction with acids like sulfuric acid, CO2 gas is produced. As a result of production of CO2, amount of CO2 will increase, and you all know that CO2 is a non-supporter of combustion. Such type of extinguisher contains a bottle of sulfuric acid which is supported over a metallic container containing baking soda. When the cylinder is inverted and the knob is struck against the ground, bottle breaks and it combines with baking soda and CO2 gas is released, which is used to extinguish the fire. The reaction involved is Students, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope each and every point is clear to you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video if you like it, and share this video with your friends also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.